Welcome to Dundalk Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to bring you on a virtual tour of our campus and our facilities. DkIT is located on the northeast coast of Ireland, situated 1 hour's drive from the island of Ireland's two major cities, Dublin and Belfast, which is connected via the M1 corridor. The Institute is made up of 4 different schools: the School of Engineering, the School of Health and Science, the School of Business and Humanities, and the School of Informatics and Creative Arts. First of all, I'm going to take you on a tour of the School of Engineering. Our School of Engineering offers a variety of courses in the area of engineering, civil, mechanical and electrical, and the area of built environment, construction management, building surveying and architectural technology. This school also offers a range of trades and apprenticeships. Here we are in one of our engineering labs. We're currently in one of our many facilities that our engineering students will get to use throughout their time studying here at DkIT. Like all of our facilities, it's packed with all the latest software and technology to ready our students for when they leave. This is DkIT's largest academic school, and it hosts a range of courses within the areas of business, marketing, management and finance, hospitality and culinary arts and humanities, as well as courses within the areas of social care, youth work and sports exercise and enterprise. We are in one of your average classrooms here at DkIT. As you can see, it's relatively small. At DkIT, we pride ourselves in small class sizes to allow for one-on-one learning with your lecturer. We also have larger lecture theatres for when classes come together or when guest lecturers come in to meet you, which happens throughout the year. Welcome to DkIT's Hospitality Department, where we offer courses in culinary arts, hospitality management and event management. Let's take a look at our facilities. We are currently in one of 2 kitchen facilities that we have here at DkIT. These facilities allow students to develop and experiment with different styles within the culinary arts industry. And now let's go to our School of Health and Science. Here we are in the state-of-the-art Merhevna building, which comprises of courses within health and science. These include nursing, midwifery, veterinary nursing, agricultural, health and physical activity, applied sciences, and early childhood studies. This is one of 3 clinical skill labs that we have at DkIT. The students studying midwifery and nursing will get to simulate real-life patient hospital experiences. In our School of Health and Science, we also offer courses in early childhood studies. Here, students will get to simulate a creche experience to get practical learning. Here is an example of one of our many science labs. Students undertaking courses in our Health and Science department will get the chance to work here to develop their practical skills. Now follow me to the School of Informatics and Creative Arts. The School of Informatics and Creative Arts is housed in the iconic PJ Carroll's building, which was once the historic PJ Carroll's cigarette factory. As you will see, the building has been completely transformed into a technological and creative hub of activity. Here we have courses such as computing, games development, creative media, film and TV production and music. DkIT is equipped with the latest technology and computing facilities in order to enable our students to excel in their learning and technological skills. We have a variety of PC and Mac labs and access to a host of exciting technology in the area of augmented and virtual reality, games development and 3D printing. We also have an IT Learning Centre and a Maths Learning Centre where students can come throughout their time here to develop their skills. In the area of creative arts, we have a host of facilities so that our students can develop on their creative skills. Here is our art room. Here, students studying in the Department of Creative Arts and Media get to develop different styles of art and design. We also have an animation suite where students can learn skills in 2D and 3D animation and areas related to motion graphics. Welcome to our 4K film and TV recording studio. Here, students studying film, TV and theatre all get practical hands-on learning with state-of-the-art industry-approved equipment. We also have a screening room, green screen studio and a number of high-tech editing suites. In the Department of Informatics and Creative Arts, we offer courses in music and music production. Here's an example of one of the recording studio facilities that we have here on campus. Here we are in the Winter Garden, which is one of the lovely quiet areas within the Carroll's building. Here, students can come and meet informally, study, or just get some headspace away from the classroom. At DkIT, we recognise that college is so much more than just time spent in class. We have lots of student support services which are designed to help students during their time here and ensure that they have the best time. Our newly named Chaston Library is a state-of-the-art learning resource open to all students. It comes complete with study rooms, computer and printing facilities, not to mention access to thousands of academic resources in paper or digital formats. The library staff are always on hand to help you with your learning needs and to provide a range of study supports and tutorials to help you with everything from using the library to looking up academic resources or academic writing. We have a range of services available to students throughout their time here. These range from careers and employability, student funding and counselling services. Our Sports and Societies Office oversees the management of over 55 student-led clubs and societies. These range from circus arts, fashion, soccer and rugby, as well as everything in between. And finally, no campus tour would be complete without a stop at our Students' Union. The Students' Union is elected by you and is your voice throughout your time at college. And that's all we have time for today. That's just a small snippet of what DkIT has to offer you. If you want to find out more, check out our website, or why not book a real-life campus tour with us at a time that suits you. See ya!